Live from San Diego, this is KUSI News.
San Diego home price gains remain near the bottom of national rankings. And here to give us a breakdown of the market is licensed California real estate broker Mark Powell. Mark, good to see you.
Thank you.
So California, San Diego's kind of hit the brakes. Explain what's going on.
Well, over the last year or two, we've had double-digit increases. So we were going up the fastest in the nation, and home sellers were thinking that they're going to get all of these super high prices, and they were. But what ended up happening now is the people in San Diego just can't afford these price increases. About 15% of people living in San Diego County can afford to buy a median price home of roughly $1 million. So sellers now have to come to terms with the fact that they can't do these double-digit increases anymore. It's not that home prices have stalled, it's that we just went up so fast. We hit a plateau, and it's like, you know, the point of diminishing returns. You can only go up so much. Now sellers are thinking, I still want to go up higher, and they're holding on to their properties, and they're kind of holding out. And buyers are saying, well, we can't afford it. So it's almost like, you know, like that stare, who's going to blink first? Right. Is it going to be the sellers or is it going to be the buyers? I think it's going to be a combination where sellers are going to have to drop their prices a little bit and make some concessions for the buyers, and buyers are just going to have to realize interest rates aren't coming down anytime soon, and if they need to purchase, they should purchase now. Anybody who purchased a house 10 years ago in San Diego does not regret it.
No.
They're happy.
And they're enjoying some record low interest rates likely at the same time, which we're seeing interest rates affecting the market now as well.
Correct. Interest rates dropped a little bit, but you have to think, some of these people that are selling, their interest rates were 2.5 and 3%.
Yeah.
That's when people were saying, okay, this is really going to help us. We're probably not going to see that anytime soon. But there are some ways for buyers to purchase in this kind of market, and I've said this before. So you can get up to 4 buyers on one house. So let's say 3 roommates are together, each of them make $100,000 a year. They've got $300,000 worth of buying power. They can buy a house. So instead of being renters now, they can all be buyers. Sellers need to offer concessions. For example, they might say, I'm going to keep my price the same, but I'm going to offer to pay your closing costs, which is, you know, the title insurance, the escrow fee. So there's going to be a compromise. But yes, the market is a little bit slow, and yes, we're making an adjustment. And a lot of this has to do with the fact that we haven't built enough homes. We only had 1.6 million people in San Diego County in 1980. We have a 75% increase now. We're at 3.2. We just didn't build enough homes during that time. So that lack of building during those times has caused home prices to skyrocket, making us the 9th least affordable city in the nation.
I know, and I mean, there's so many things that are appealing about San Diego, which was drawing a lot of people here, which made the competition for the low inventory, you know, something that was benefiting the sellers. But now we're just seeing not that many people want to come to pay this kind of money.
They don't. But also, we're also seeing a lot of people who moved out of San Diego, for whatever reason, they moved out of California. I can't take the politics or whatever, and they moved to other states. They can't come back.
No.
They can't afford to come back. So they have some regrets. I say San Diego is still America's finest city. I was born and raised here. It's a beautiful place. You get up in the morning and you can't beat the climate. It is expensive, however, so people have to be creative. And employers also, there's employer assistant programs like UCSD. They'll have employer assistant programs where if you hire somebody, the employer kind of helps out with the down payment or with the loan so that people can actually relocate to San Diego and work.
All right, bottom line, get creative because we're not seeing big shifts
That's correct.
in prices. All right, thanks, Mark, appreciate it.